Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video, another one. People, in today's video, we want to talk about Aidonia. Also, we want to talk about Squash 6 Boss Mother Shelly. Also, we want to talk about Squash and a TikToker named One Kevin. People, the delusional on the internet is real. People, police running for Aidonia and lock up two of his friends them and search him house. So right now we have One Kevin out here a defend Aidonia, and I say Aidonia must take himself from Jamaica. One Kevin I said Jamaican government no like artists, and Jamaican government I try set up the artists them, so that's why Vybz Kartel have a runway. Remember, One Kevin is a Gaza brother, is a Gaza sheep. So you know the delusional is real in other brother. Yeah. Also, we have Squash 6 Boss Mother. I said the same thing, and I say Aidonia get set up. And I said the government, the police them target Aidonia. The two of them are bona fire per Andrew wholeness. People, like, comment, share, subscribe. Everybody we are watching video, drop a like on the video, drop a comment, help YouTube to share the video. So people, we are going to break down the reasoning, a whole of reasoning, and we are going to reason on a logical level, on an intelligent level. At the end of the day, say for example, over 3,000 artists there in Jamaica. We just are going to say 3,000. And police are pick pan Squash. Police are pick pan Vybz Kartel. Police are pick pan Aidonia. At the end of the day, if that is only 3 people out of 3,000 where police are pick pan, on you cannot say police a target artists and the government hate and bad mind artists. We know how we go as a ghetto youth. But at the end of the day, Vybz Kartel get caught up. Vybz Kartel was charged and convicted. There was certain evidence in a Vybz Kartel phone. I want to know that. Squash 6 Boss the Jamaica are go on with him frigate. Him run away from Jamaica and go United States of America, end up in a Florida, and Shelly said the government of Jamaica still a fight her son. So her son end up in the United States of America. Now Squash 6 Boss they in a FBI custody. Now the man plead guilty, and Shelly still a say them a try set up her son. At the end of the day, Shelly I give Aidonia advice. I tell Aidonia say for run away. At the end of the day, enough of them artists here get caught up in so many things. A whole heap of other artists out there. Bounty Killer out there. Beanie Man out there. Romy and Virgo out there. Christopher Martin out there. At the end of the day, say Agent Sasko out there. Elephant Man out there. Enough artists live at Jamaica and we not hear them and police in a no problem. Some of the time when you see police running for certain people, them link to certain people. Yes, you have good cop. Yes, you have bad cop. But Aidonia as a man who is a family man shouldn't have certain friend around him. Even if you link with certain people, you can't make certain people come at your yard or know where you live. At the end of the day, we hear Sir P out here for years a warn Aidonia. Years Sir P a tell Aidonia for bill and go sit down and keep himself quiet. And now you hear say police running for Aidonia. Is this a coincidence? You go tell me say you surprise? at the end of the day, a whole heap of people out there where police now mess with. Enough time you hear the police running past certain youth. Yes, some of them no have no tool. Yes, some of them, when the police them running them to carry them in. But at the end of the day, enough of them youth get involved in a certain things. Enough artists out there buy certain tool. Enough artists out there linked to certain bad man, linked to certain gangster, linked to certain 87. So tell me one artist wanna hear I go church every Sunday. Good behaving artist wanna hear say police running pan. How police not running pan Juna Tucker? How them not running pan Stitchy? How them not running pan Gaddy Gaddy? How them not running pan Papa San? Enough good artists we have out there like Rummy and Virgo them. How we not hear say police running pan Rummy and Virgo them? How you know hear say police running past certain artists? Enough of them artists are toxic, and enough of them artists are roll with certain people and them linked to certain people, and enough of them artists pay extortion, and enough of them artists pay certain dan, pay certain gang, send on money and fund certain violence in the country. I don't know that. So if the police them along for criminal, you not feel to say the police them have some type of information where them running pan Aidonia. Most of them artists here left from the Garrison. Know the fight where them get in the ghetto. Know the fight where them get for boss. And after them beg people for support them and ask people for give them a strength while them a suffer, while them hungry, while them can't find them dinner. And once people support them and them become rich, them this the same people them. Enough of them start link with peer bad man, a peer dan, them a link with the lifestyle where them start live. Dirty. Enough of the people know this. Seeing at the end of the day, Shelly's son get caught up in a certain things in a Jamaica. How is it in get caught up in the same situation in the United States of America where he must plead guilty? We see one Kevin out here a defend Vybz Kartel and say how Vybz Kartel have to run away from Jamaica. Believe this, viewers and subscribers, hit the like button. If Vybz Kartel did free the Jamaican government, see, if a them indeed free that meaning would have still there behind bars. If Jamaican government did hate Vybz Kartel would have remained behind bars. At the end of the day, the system help get out Vybz Kartel. Even when he go Privy Council and all of them things there, Jamaica could have go retrial. But the people them say they don't have no money for waste. They don't have no money. If them did hate Vybz Kartel that much, then would have go back a court. At the end of the day, even Vybz Kartel lawyer if say them search the man phone illegally. So that mean to say certain things in a Vybz Kartel phone. Vybz Kartel did not win in case Vybz Kartel get off on technicality. So that means the information was there. Seeing the information was there. On no act like say no for the artists them in a Jamaica no bad man. Seeing enough artists afraid of Vybz Kartel. That's why them have to say Gaza. Black Rhino did I get beaten. Da Vinci did I get beaten. Popcorn and couple of the woman them. Remember say Vybz Kartel friend and running pan not nice. Also take away not nice asthma pill. Take away laptop, computer, everything. Seeing Black Rhino have to run away and say who beat who. Go beat your mother. Black Rhino have to take away himself. Gaza Slim them allegedly get box and thump and kick till them piss up. Enough selector get beat up. Selector that party and no play no cartel and he get beat up. Selector that party and no play Aidonia and get beat up. Enough of the disc jockey them free the Vybz Kartel. Enough artists allegedly have peer extortion. So no say Vybz Kartel run dancehall not by just doing music, but controversy. And also, everybody did afraid of Vybz Kartel because Vybz Kartel did link to certain people. Members of Vybz Kartel say one Dan and a Tesha Miller, if I know Tesha Miller. Then a who? Look on Ninja Man on stage, how much box and kick and thump Ninja Man get from Kartel them. And Ninja Man no do nothing because man call Ninja Man and say, Bill, nothing no come out of it. So when Tommy Lee get locked up now and get locked up, and a tool Tommy Lee get locked up for, lad no we get locked up and a tooling get locked up for, Ninja Man get locked up and a tooling get locked up for, Jack Ure get locked up 2 times again. Buju Banton when get locked up for. So now make it look like say enough of them artists here involved in a friggery. But Squash mother out here, I give advice. Why you never give your son the proper advice them? So if you never raise your son properly and give your son the advice where your son supposed to get, how you give Aidonia advice? Eh? No for no put down Jamaica and make it look like say Jamaica the worst country because Jamaica, the man might try clean it up. Yes, I know a whole lot of police them good. Yes, you have good cop and bad cops and we no love some I law them. But at the end of the day, law abiding citizen we no see police are running for enough of them. Enough man there in Garrison are the frigate and when police run in and dirt them, oh, him a good somebody, him go church every Sunday, him take care of the youths, him feed all people, him build house, give all people when get money from and he no have a job. That mean him a area leader. So even though him do good, him still do friggery. Back in the days, Jamaica used to have done, and they done them used to make sure say the community run good and deal with certain things, but them still did hurt people. Enough of the youth, them not do the crime in a for them community, out of port them go. Enough tool are going to Jamaica, where some of them youth are get money if you buy the tool. We know artists make money, sports people make money, producer and such. But enough artists are buy tool, put it back in them community for them get rid of them same brothers and sisters. As me say, enough artists out there where we no hear them name in a certain friggery. And if you no out here so you no a Dan, and you no a bad man, and you no a gangster, and you no have crew, and you no have certain amount of 87 round you know, where get involved in a certain thing. The streets know, say enough of them youth here involved in a certain things. Enough of them youth when them broke and then at the Garrison, we understand why them in a crime and violence because lack of opportunity. But enough of them artists are rich and them still involved in a badness. The greatest thing for them artists here are when people look upon them like them a bad man like Vybz Kartel. Enough of them artists here want to be known, say them are done. Them youth are not pre-riches alone. Them are pre-danship. Remember every minute police used to run in pan Dexter Daps and every minute they used to lock up Dexter Daps and from Dexter Daps take one himself and allow certain friggery. Only see the police them mess with Dexter Daps. Sometimes the police them know the friggery where them youth here go on with. Enough time Sir P out here, I call them out and I beg them to allow certain things. Only say Sir P a informer, Sir P a snitch. But no police run in, uno a ball. Uno a ball. A man like Aidonia, we're so talented. We have so much gift and get so much blessing. Them youth have to love certain things. All when they move go uptown. If people them no want them uptown because them gone uptown with them friggery. Enough of them no have no discipline. And then gone in our people them good community with lack of discipline. Me as a Jamaican, enough place me go in our world and people no like we. Enough time time why people not like we are because we bad broke and we toxic and we dirty behavior. And enough place in our world people love we because of we food, we beach, the sunshine. Jamaica people love we for we accent, them love we for we music, them love we for we sports, football, cricket, track and field, and love Rasta. So enough place people love we and certain place people hate we and don't want to see we because we bad broke and dirty and a peer free. Enough of we keep up. Ono are going to make it look like say Jamaica is a nice country. Enough people want to go back to Jamaica go invest, but them scared of the crime and violence. Enough of uno dirty thinking Jamaican, and me a Jamaican too. Enough of we come overseas and I send back crazy tool God Jamaica. And no matter of fact, them I send back crazy tool God Jamaica for slap with them black brothers and sisters. Enough of we come overseas to make a better life for ourselves. And enough people over here do friggery. They don't want to work. Enough of them up here want to do Coca-Cola and a fast life. Enough of them up here are do friggery. When one man has send back 22, when one man has send back 220 a tool back in our country, how you build Jamaica? Enough man has send back tool. See, for actually get rid of in black brothers and sisters. Remember, say criminal always have tool. But the people and we are law-abiding citizens cannot protect themselves, cannot get a tool. The criminal them always are go find a way to send back the tool God Jamaica. So no found a burn out Jamaica and I make it look like say anything can happen where Jamaica then send we back. No matter if you are a citizen or no what, any law can come in where Jamaica and have to lift up where we are go. And anywhere we go, enough of we cause friggery. And as a Jamaican, me no hang out with enough Jamaican. Cause anywhere you see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Jamaican, some friggery I go on. Something I go jump off. So at the end of the day, Shelly and one Kevin they are so attack. And you don't know what Aidonia involved in. At the end of the day, then it says Squash get set up, but Squash plead guilty. A man plead guilty when them show him the evidence and show him all of the friggery when he do. A man have to plead guilty. So at the end of the day, enough people out here are criminal sympathizer on who always pet criminal. No matter the dirtiness where them criminal ya do, on always protect them no matter who they hurt. And when some of them hurt for no family member, at them the time they wanna come a ball. Look how much other artists that Jamaica. Police not running upon them. Why police running upon Aidonia? Look how much other artists did it. You know how much artists live in Jamaica? Some of the artists, them we not even remember them. Them artists you have as much money where they can get half-duty police, half-duty soldier, and go get them license tool. Enough of them artists here heavily invested in a crime or violence. Enough of them artists are the reason why them country now better. And me not say Aidonia, me not say Squash, but enough artists involved in a certain things. Enough artists involved in a certain things. So one Kevin say Gaza, so Vybz Kartel can't do no wrong for him. Nobody no care about Lizard mother. Nobody no care about Lizard family. Lizard missing years now. Over 13 or 14 years. Nobody can find Lizard. But Lizard was once a person. So in the case, on no feel to say if Lizard did in a witness protection program, then would answer retrial because Lizard would be a main witness. So Lizard missing. Jano, Jump Out TV production, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.